Hello, in front of me I've got Flydigi Vader 5 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to change button assignment. To change button assignment, let's go to Flydigi Space Station and next go to Buttons. Click any button on the controller image to modify its mapping. For example, let's select M2 or M1. Now you can assign turbo, macro or special function. Select button. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.